Once your assessment has been completed and all the scores are in and you've added any findings, you can very easily export this to either a PDF or a Excel spreadsheet CSV file simply by going to your function buttons up here from the Details tab. And then we can choose Export to PDF or Export to Excel or both. And those documents will download for you. Note that they will be white labeled to your company, and in each case the documents contain a full summary of the assessment, any stakeholders, people involved in completing the assessment, any findings, the detail of the questionnaire, so all of the questions and answers, and then contact information of the owner. So that's all through here. And similarly with the Excel spreadsheet, you get the same information, all of the questions, answers, so on and so forth, just in that spreadsheet format. So very simple process. But don't forget, of course, that all of this can also be tracked from that issue perspective in the C1 system. And based upon the asset that you've attached this to, this will also be tracked in the asset summary as well. So any findings that have been come from the assessment will go back to that asset or vendor, whatever that record is. All right, so that's how you do reporting in the C1RIsk platform from an assessment. That concludes our training for today. Thank you very much.